PlanogramBuilder Tutorial 12, Using the Catalogs. In this tutorial, you will learn how to find products and accessories in their respective catalogs. Click on Products to access this task. On the left, you can see the catalog listing the products available for planograms. There are two catalogs corresponding to two types of products. Predefined examples contain sample products that are provided with the software as examples. Personal contains products that you or your colleagues have added to your account database. For this tutorial, we will use predefined examples because they are the same for all accounts. The products are classified in 3 hierarchical levels to facilitate finding them. Note that the classification of predefined examples is fixed, but you can define the classification of your own products, as explained in Tutorial 4. To filter products by classification, click on the desired value at each level. For example, select Beverage under Category, Coca-Cola under Brand, and Soda under Product Line. The product list now only shows one product matching this classification. What if you want to see all the beverages? Select Beverage, then click on the asterisk symbol under Brand and Product Line. The asterisk lets you show products matching any value at the selected classification level. Try again by choosing Danone under Brand and asterisk under Category and Product Line. The product list now displays all the products with the Danone brand. In the product list, each item is displayed with a thumbnail and a caption text. By default, the caption shows the product name, but you can customize this. Click on Settings. Under Catalogs, Products and Accessories, Captions and Search, click on Choose Properties. Available properties are name, reference, and item custom properties that you may have defined in Settings. Checkmark Reference, click on OK, then close Settings. Each product in the list now shows its name and reference. You can also find products by entering text in the search box above the product list. Text search will find all the products matching your search. For example, type bread and press enter. All the products with bread in their thumbnail captions are displayed. Click on the small delete button on the right of the text box to cancel your search and return to the classification mode. Switching to the task named Accessories, you will notice the exact same classification and system is used to find the desired accessories. The desired products and accessories can then be dragged with your mouse from the catalogs onto furniture in the visualization area. Note that a similar catalog is also used for templates, with a few distinctions which we will explain in a tutorial about projects. To summarize, use the catalog classification filtering and text search to quickly find products, accessories, and templates that you want to add to your planograms. Please see the links below the video for detailed instructions in the user guide. This tutorial is now complete.